Solana Foundation gets clobbered and faces backlash for weak SEC response. So the Solana Foundation refutes the SEC's classification of SOL as a security, but the community criticizes the foundation's response as weak and inadequate, especially considering that the SEC targeted multiple coins, including Solana, in the lawsuit against Binance, and not just Solana. So a lot of these other coins came in and they said, well, hold up. You haven't even written the legislation as to what is a security in terms of cryptography or not. And if we're doing what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing, then why am I a security? Well, that's what the community is basically refuting here. Well, Solana is refuting, but essentially it's a weak argument. They need to come with facts and they need to tell the SEC exactly why they're not. And let's go and find out in this video what we think the Solana price could hit in the next bull run, considering all the FUD and noise that it has already been through. We'll see you inside. How's it going? What's up and what's happening there, blessed beautiful souls? Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show today, and I'm so blessed to be here with you, you blessed and wonderful souls. I'm Kiara DeCass, and today I'm going to be showing you an incredible crypto that is within the top 100, is within the top 20, and will blow your mind out the water, and definitely will minimum 100x in the next bull cycle. No doubt about it. I stacked up on more of this coin today, Solana, and essentially I have been racking up, and I'm going to continue to DCA in while we're in these beautiful capitulation levels in all of the altcoins. So guys, I did a crazy video for you here earlier on about Gary Gensler potentially being fired. So go over and check that out in the link up there, or the video card up there. That would be really much appreciated. And guys, there's a lot of information here that I want to share in this video. No time to waste. So let's jump straight to it. Solana ranked number 11th. That's its logo. Its name is Solana. SOL is the ticker. It's currently sitting at $15.57 for the day, up 1.2% against USDT or the USD, and up 0.3% against BTC. So 6.2 billion in market cap, 392.5 million in trading volume, $8.5 billion in market cap. Maximum supply is not that. Total supply is 550,000 coins, where 400,000 of those coins are already in circulation right now. So pretty decent, right? And yeah, okay. So you can see we're down here. We were at about $1.90. Now, if Solana had to fall down to there, guys, I swear I would sell my computers, I'd sell everything, and I would buy some Solana because I'll be able to buy back my computer and still have money left over. Okay, that's how insane this is going to be. So if you haven't yet got into Solana, no financial advice, please hit my Bybit link down in the description of the video below, and that will give you up to a $30,000 deposit bonus when you use my link right there. Now guys, Solana was currently sitting at a $260 price, which was the all-time high, and we're down 94% from there, and its all-time low was 50 cents. Imagine you bought Solana at 50 cents. We're up 3,000% from there, despite the ludicrous collapse that we had here from FTX all the way down from 132 pretty much all the way down to 57. So it's like a 3x lower, right? So that is insane. Now, in terms of market cap value, where are we in terms of Solana? So the highest market cap that we had was 75 billion. That is literally about 12x from where we are right now. So I'm just saying 12x, okay? So if we had to go and have a look at $75 billion, okay, so that's 75 billion divided by 6 billion 200 million. That will give us a 12x. How's that? How's that for maths? So that will give us a 12x on this current price from where we are. And I'm just saying 12x, 1561. You'll give us $188 Solana price. Now guys, that's if we go up to the previous all-time high in market cap value. That means we still have not even reached the all-time high in terms of price on Solana. And actually we're about $60, $70 away from that other price here, okay, which essentially is about 33% still to go. So if I'm saying to $100, well, let's go and see what Solana is first. Make sure to stay tuned right till the very end of the video so that I can show you exactly where we're at in Solana on the chart. Okay, so Solana is powerful for developers, fast for everyone. Bring blockchain to the people. Solana supports experiences for power users, new consumers, and everyone in between. We all know that they're with Brave, Circle, Discord, Google. I mean, look at all these crazy community. Look at the size of this community. 11.5 million active accounts. Nearly 22 million NFTs have been minted. Average cost is 3 zeros, 25 cents. It's fast. It's decentralized. It's energy efficient. It's scalable. And zero net carbon impact. Now, they've got crazy, awesome play and own games. They've got a massive, massive community of Solana. New York Hacker House starts bringing the news. Lines were out of the door for Solana's new foundation, New York Hacker House, in March 22. That's pretty cool. I like that. Now, if you want to go and see Solana on their come and talk to them, that's where you're going to have a look there. So let's just go and quickly have a look at some of the news that has come in for Solana. So Solana's SEC FTX trouble spark hard fork debate in the community. So should there be a hard fork for Solana? The Solana community discusses a potential hard fork in response to legal troubles. The hard fork proposal has divided the community. SEC's enforcement as well as FTX's bankruptcy loom over Solana's future. Okay, hear me out. It's time to fork Solana. SEC disappears. FTX bankruptcy can dump on themselves. BTC and ETH both did it. Now, your reaction, what the fuck? Wait, yep, STFU, stuff you. Okay, so there's nothing much there in that article, but let's fork Solana. So, what are the choices here is essentially what they're saying. And honestly, guys, a hard fork of Solana is probably not the best thing to do for themselves or the community or for crypto. One of the things that they got a bit of backlash for was Solana Foundation faces backlash for the weak SEC response. So Solana's Foundation refutes SEC's classification of SOL as a security, and that's pretty much all they said. The community criticizes the Foundation's response as weak and inadequate. The SEC targeted multiple coins, including Solana, in its lawsuit against Binance. So here's the article, the response to the SEC, and essentially that's what they got a deep backlash for, because some people think that they basically wrote it with AI, but it wasn't written with AI. I love this Solana hoodie; it's absolutely awesome. So the Solana Foundation, here you can come check them out on Twitter. This is the foundation, it's not the actual Solana. So here's the post that was pinned. Honestly, it's not the best post. I do agree with the community. Like, they could have definitely responded way better than that. The Solana SPL token 22, how Solana's new SPL token standard reimagines DeFi. Solana's new token 22 program promises to shake up the crypto space's most scalable network. The Solana blockchain has been criticized for underdeveloped DeFi scene. However, the rollout of the Creative 22 SPL token program aims to address these problems and breathe new life into the leading Ethereum killer. So what is it? Like Ethereum native ERC20 tokens provide a consistent set of rules and conditions on the Ethereum blockchain and other EVM networks, Solana's SPL token standard is the basic architecture for cryptocurrencies and NFTs living on Solana. Since 2020, Solana Labs has been developing an extension to these basic rules called the SPL 2022 program. So that's pretty cool. I like that. That's positive news. Now, one last thing here on Solana. Solana phone. Do we really need a Web3 mobile device? Wow. So Solana Saga phone, this is what it actually looks like. I think it's pretty cool. Honestly, I do think it's really amazing, the phone. But the question remains, is it necessary? Well, let's go and have a quick look. Before accounting for its unique Web3 features, the Solana Saga has all the hallmarks of a flagship mobile device. For your smartphone aficionados out there, here are the basic specs. Premium hardware and design. uh, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 and Generation 1 processor. 512 gig storage, 12 gig RAM. That's massive. OCD and a 50 megapixel camera. Man, that's higher than my iPhone, guys. That's mad, mad, mad. So Solana Saga versus regular mobile phone differences. So you can come over and have a look at them. Build on SMS today. So Solana Mobile Stack provides a comprehensive toolkit and an Android build environment that simplifies building mobile first apps. So launching with Saga, so you can come onto Saga and you can launch whatever it is that you want to launch. And I'm pretty sure that so many people are going to launch their apps on Solana. So the Solana phone pros and cons. Well, secure hardware, Solana ecosystem exclusive, streamlined adoption, great standalone product. The cons are underwhelming Solana dApp Store, which, guys, that will improve over time. I mean, the phone was just freaking launched, man. Give the people a freaking chance, man. People say it's expensive at $1,000, but honestly, an iPhone is like $2,000 to $3,000, so it's not that expensive, especially considering that will literally become a bank inside your pocket. You're literally going to have a bank in your pocket that literally controls your ID, your NFTs, your digital art, your collectibles, your assets, everything in there. Okay. Now, is it obsolete? I don't think so. There's a lot of issues that are coming up in this. So I want to go and have a very, very quick squiz at the chart. So give me one moment. I'll get you the chart now. Sol USDT. I had it, but then Okay, so here's a Solana USDT chart right now. Okay, just give me a moment. Sorry, guys. Okay, so Sol USDT. Okay, Binance. There you go. All right, here's our Solana chart. Now, guys, Solana essentially broke this trend line here, came back down. Is it going to pump up and retest here? Something like this. Is it finding some support at the moment? Yes, it is finding some support at the moment. Have a quick squiz at the support level right here. Now, if I had to draw my line there, you'll see that that is essentially where our current support zone is on Solana. So first check, support, horizontal support zone. Second check, RSI oversold. This is the daily, hey? Okay, RSI oversold. Okay. Third check is, where's our risk to reward? So unfortunately, that wick is very far down. So I would put my stop loss somewhere down here at 1254, which essentially would be a little bit of a high risk to reward ratio in terms of trading. Excuse me, I'm using the wrong tool there. Okay, so essentially that would be the trade, and then I would wait for that trade to come back up to this level of resistance, and that would give us a 3.53 trade. It's not the greatest trade, to be very honest, but if you did a 10x leverage, that is a 65% move, which would give you essentially 650% on a 10x leverage. Okay, so it has got legs, but the one thing that I don't want to see with Solana is it run up here, be rejected at this point, and the RSI comes up here and is rejected at this point at that exact same moment. Because if that is the instant, guys, boom, we will be crashing down, and no doubt about it, we will definitely come back down to this little $8 level at the very minimum, and we could even come down even further. So there is a lot of things that you have to be cognizant about. If you're trading this now, currently on the daily time frame, I just want to show you a potential level to get into the trade. Yeah, let me give you a line. So essentially, this is the line, guys. Boom. If it breaks out of that line, that's upward sloping horizontal support, then I do believe that we will continue to make our way up. Now you can see that that is the triangle pattern formation essentially, and right now, honestly, it looks as though we're tapping up there, but we could find ourselves having a little bit of a pullback down here and then another break up back up there. So we could do that, and then we would find support and then break up to the highs, like I said. Now, guys, honestly, if you're in a trade, this is the level to take profits at. If you're not in that trade and we do end up breaking this upward sloping channel, I'm telling you, we're coming back down, boom, at the very least to that retest that low there. So either way, you can make good gains. There are great long-term positions. Remember to have your trading account separate and your long-term account also separate. Now, guys, if this comes back down here, I would just be DCAing the whole way down on this chart. Now, it looks juicy, so why wouldn't you do that? Guys, if you're enjoying the video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share my content on the channel. Now, last thing before we exit the video, I said to you guys, Solana could potentially hit 100x from where we are right now. What does 100x look like on Solana? 100 times 15.62 gives us $1,562 market cap. Wow. Okay. Now, price per coin. Now, if we had to times that by that amount of coins times 549,929, 754 will give us an $858 billion market cap. Now, considering that its market cap dominance is about 0.56% at the current moment, let us go and have a look at what that ends up looking like. So 200 trillion, you guys always know I'm using the 200 trillion as the level, times by 0.56% gives us a $1.12 trillion market cap. So it could essentially even go higher than that point, guys. But for now, I think 100x is a really good point on Solana. What are your thoughts? $1,563 on Solana, perhaps in the next bull cycle. I'm not sure about that, but I do think that it will eventually hit that price. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And please remember to like, subscribe, and share my content. And if you guys want to watch the next coolest video on my channel, make sure to hit that video right there, and we'll see you on there. Thanks for being here. It's even better than this one.